out in the valley, valley rich as cream. I've got the finest neighbor that you've ever seen. Got a honey pond and a flitter tree, I'm really doing well. Herding cattle in an air-conditioned Cadillac Cooperville. Honey pond and a flitter tree is where I spend my time. Eat country ham and biscuits, drinking elderberry wine. 3 cents a week is all I spend to get my biggest thrill from a herding cattle in an air-conditioned Cadillac Cooperville. Come on, Sly, come on. What do you think about it? Well, that's nice. Thank you. Well, I wouldn't hardly say I'm rich, I'm living like I should. Living the life of Riley, Riley ain't never had this good. Well, I like this kind of living, and I guess I always will. From a herding cattle in an air-conditioned Cadillac Cooperville.